In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio token. Whether you're a developer just starting with Twilio or someone managing communications apps, knowing where to find your Twilio token is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Twilio console. Go to console.twilio.com and enter your credentials to access your account. If this is your first time logging in, or if you've forgotten your password, make sure to follow the password reset instructions provided by Twilio. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you can oversee all your account activities and manage your projects. The section you're interested in today is the Account Info panel, right there on the dashboard. This panel holds key pieces of information essential for your Twilio projects, notably your account SID and auth token. Your account SID is a unique identifier for your Twilio account. It starts with AC and is followed by a series of numbers and letters unique to your account. Think of it like your account's fingerprint. Having the account SID at hand is essential for integrating Twilio services into your projects, as it identifies from which account requests are being made. Now about the auth token. By default, your auth token is hidden for security reasons. This is a crucial piece of information that you need to keep confidential, as it essentially acts like a password for your Twilio services. To reveal your auth token, simply click on the eye icon next to the token field on your dashboard. Once clicked, the icon will unveil your auth token, which you'll then be able to see and use. A vital tip to remember: treat your auth token like a secret. In the world of digital security, this token is a key to accessing and managing your account. Ensure that you never expose it publicly or share it in any unsecured manner. If you believe your auth token may have been compromised at any point, you should immediately change it through the Twilio console to protect your account and applications. Before wrapping up, let's recap quickly. Log into your Twilio console, navigate to the dashboard, find the Account Info panel, note your account SID, and finally, unhide your auth token by clicking the eye icon. And remember, never expose this token to anyone you don't trust completely. And there you have it. Accessing your Twilio token is straightforward and easy once you know where to look. Keep this information secure, and you'll have everything you need to effectively manage your projects with Twilio. If you need further assistance, Twilio's support resources and forums are invaluable. Thanks for watching.